Okay, we're getting the outskirts of Harvey and we got some good lightning going on, so we're gonna see what we can get out here. I'm gonna sit out here in the yard. It's not raining. Well, it's sprinkling a little bit. Look at that. Oh boy. Big skies, we're getting gusty winds now. The water on my pool was getting flushed around. Right over there. With big, big clouds. Ooh, look at that. Oh, there we go. Starting to sprinkle a little bit. Give me some good lightning. Whoa, baby! Woo-hoo-hoo! There we go. There you go. Okay, starting to pour now. I gotta quit, but we got a good one there. Oh yeah, it's opened up now.